C.
U L T.
Darius and Zach are going to be doing a siege. The thing is, though, you're going to have to provide the sound effects during the siege. Dude, let's say, like a outdoor activity. We're all moose hunting. Whenever you're ready, take it away.
All right, Fred.
Yeah, Phil.
Ready for your first day of moose hunting?
Yeah. You want me to pick up a gun?
Nope. We gotta go through the whole checklist, and the gun is third in the checklist.
What's the second and the other
The
one?
second is your moose call. Pick up that damn moose call.
All right.
Now blow into the moose call.
Oh, that's the bird one. Ooh, let me get the moose one. That's the cow one. Try another.
Nope, that's for truckers.
We're gonna try it. Hey, you don't know what's out there.
Yeah. All right. So number one on the checklist is the picnic basket.
Oh, not the picnic basket.
Pick up the picnic basket.
Hold this.
Thank you. Up.
What?
All my moose calls fell on the ground. Oh.
Let me
Wow.
get.
Some light moose calls.
I
Fell like a feather.
got them at the dollar store. I'm sorry.
But you know what won't fall like a feather? All my trophies. Because I don't care about awards.
Oh, it didn't hurt. Didn't make a sound when it hit me.
Fred, you need to hold your belly.
I thought you wanted me to.
That's rule number one. You never let go of your belly.
You just said get the picnic in the basket.
Yep, what we gotta do with your mouth.
Wait, I didn't hear that. Wait.
Now put it to the side.
Let's try again. One more time. One more time.
All right. Well, we're on step number 3. Pick up the gun.
What?
Hands on the belt. Yeah, there we go.
Wait,
One
my
fast, one
mat?
fast.
No, I'm so.
All right. Now.
Can I say something?
Yes.
I am an anti-moose killer. I can't help it. I heard you were a trucker, huh?
No, I never said that. But you're right. How'd you know?
I'm a trucker. I heard one in distance. It worked.
Well, you done passed the test. You're ready to hunt mises. Not mooses, mises. Now, there's one right there. In the sky, you see it? You see it flying? That moose? Moose.
I thought that was only a legend.
Now I need you to shoot it in. Shoot it down.
Oh, wait, can I?
Shoot it down! Shoot it down!
Don't like you yelling at me. Shoot it down. Aww. Hug noise. Let me load my gun again, because I don't think I
I'll call it over so it gets closer.
Can I load my gun? That is whoa! No! Stop! You're calling! No! Do you know what you just did?
I'm gonna pick it up. I'm picking my gun and shoot.
No! What? Stop! You have a problem. They want to live too. Stop! Hey! Thank you. Look. Are you okay with your pants? Do you need another pair? I got another pair. Let me zip up the zipper. Let me zip it up the zipper. Let me zip up the zipper. Why is there water in it? Let me zip up the zipper.
You're sad. You're sad. Fred. I'm sad, Fred. I'm real sad. This is the meanest sadness I've done ever felt in the world.
Hey. Dun. Hey, stop.
Where's it coming from?
Dun.